Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix in Cash App, sorry you're not able to sign up at this time. Okay, so there is a couple of methods we can try with this. So there is going to be occasions sometimes where Cash App can't verify your cell phone number for whatever reason, and it's just not letting you actually into the Cash Apps. So one of the first things I would suggest trying is actually restarting your phone, because sometimes these apps can freeze and they just need to be restarted. So the first thing to try would be, restart your phone. If you try again to log in and still getting the same error, the next thing I would do is actually delete the Cash App off my phone. So just hold the app down and then just remove it from your phone and then reinstall it. Okay, and then if that still is giving you the same issue, the next thing we want to try is actually logging in with your email and not your actual phone number. So if we just load up Cash App here, and as you can see, it automatically wants you to enter in your phone or email, but it's going to select your phone number. So if you just change the options to use email at the grey button on the left, it then will revert to enter your email. And then once you've actually inserted your email, what it's going to do is actually send you a code to that email to verify the account. So just input the code into Cash App to see if that will then actually log you in. Okay, and the next thing you're going to want to do is actually go into your settings. So I'm just going to open up settings here and then look for Cash App. Okay, and then once we have actually found Cash App, this is going to be the final step if you're still having issues when logging into Cash App. So if you then click on the advanced tab, and then here we're going to have the option to erase app data on your next launch. So this will just erase everything on the app. So then when you're logging in for the first time, it is like it's the first time. So we're just going to turn that on for this attempt. So you just make sure that's turned on, and then go and actually try and log in to Cash App for the final time. But make sure to come back into the settings after you've logged in and remove and turn this off. Otherwise, every time you log in, you're going to have to reset it and actually put in your mobile cell phone number or your email address each time, because it's going to erase the data every time you launch the app, which you don't want to do. So just make sure, go and log in now. If it's worked, great, and then come back into settings and turn this toggle off. Okay, and that's pretty much it. That is how you can fix in Cash App, sorry you're not able to sign up at this time error.